All right, let's unpin this break. Don't worry, still have time to watch the break. All right. He took it like a champ. I was mad. All right, boys, let's go. TBB and the Grand Slam Cowboy. We got 4 boxes of Tier 1 Topps ready to open tonight. 2 autographs, 1 Ellick, and 1 base card inside of each box. Let's get this break going. Let me get this camera down. Boom, baby, boom, shakalaka. Okay, let's push these up. All right. And boys, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Let's get this party started. All upside down pack. Interesting, interesting. Okay, let's go, boys. Good luck, everybody. I'm ready. Oh, Elly De La Cruz, 15 to 60. Elly De La Cruz, 16 to 50. Oh, here we go. Boom. Jose Canseco. 68 to 99. That's an absolute gem. 1/2 of the Bash Brothers. Boom. Nice card. Is that our auto right there? No, we still got one more. Oh, nice. We got the Randy Arozarena, 186 to 199 for the Seattle Mariners. Little bat. That's a good-looking card. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we got the White Sox. Is it? Nope. It's going to be Luis Robert Jr. Tier 1, 34 to 49. 34 to 49. All right, who hit the Oh, Brad Ball got the Mariners here. He's on the board. Who got the A's? Me Plank. Congratulations on the Jose Canseco. Me Plank, what do you think? Got the Jose Canseco. I like that card. The guy that blew the lid on the steroid era. Nobody believed him either. I remember when he wrote that book. Everybody's like, man, Jose Canseco's just being a crybaby. No, he was right. I need a 2 milli. There we go. All right. Let's get box number 2 on the way. Here we go, boys. On the Cubs. Freedom, what's up, buddy? Never mind. Juiced. Some people have mistaken me for being juiced. Okay, we got a Chaz Chisholm on the back here. So we got any thick ones? All right. Mason Wynn, 50 of 50. For the St. Louis Cardinals, that would be Jerry Bowl. Oh, Braxton Ashcraft. 265 to 299 for the Pirates. Power Alley. Let's go, buddy. Got him a Braxton Ashcraft. For the Pirates, oh, Roki Sasaki, nice, 21/25. That's going to go to Matt Millen. Matt Millen. All right, and boom, Chaz Chisholm and Anthony Volpe for the Yankees. Congratulations to our boy Brad Ball. He got a Yankee. There you go, buddy. Brad Ball got a Yankee and a Mariner in this break. He's got 2 packs back to back. He's had a good hit. All right, let's get us something good in the hood here, boys. Let's get us something good in the hood. Roki. Braxton Ashcraft. And Mason Wynn. All right, boys, we're halfway there. Box 2, a little Sunday fun day break. How many cards in these boxes? Well, you get 2 autographs, 1 relic, and 1 base card inside. But there's that instance where we got, Cameron will tell you that Mike Trout went back-to-back the other. I'll send you the video on that, Jesse. That's pretty cool. All right, I feel some thick ones in there. All right, we got a Craig Biggio. Oh, there we go. It's going to be maybe two Astros in here. Yordan Alvarez. Sometimes you find a bonus card. Yeah, you do. Yordan Alvarez. It's not numbered. Oh, nice. For the Mariners, Brad Ball got another Mariner. 8/20, Edgar Martinez. Brad Ball and his shot calling, boys. Brad Ball and his shot calling got him a Mariner. Ooh, and oh, there you go, Jesse. You got a Rocky. Warming Bernabal. Oh, you need to see the stripes from the jersey on there, dude. 12/49. Jesse got him a card. And boom. Garrett Crochet relic, 17/149. That's going to go to Brad Ball again. Brad Ball is hitting. And we got the Craig Biggio, 1/25. First print, nice. And that's an Astro again. And that's going to go to Paddock. Paddock got two Stros in there. Let's go. All right. So far, the Mariners and the Astros gotten some love in these card, boys. All right. Edgar Martinez. Again, that's a nice card right there. Brad Ball, congratulations. I will be on any other night besides tomorrow. Any other night besides tomorrow. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, no problem. All right, last box, boys. Last box magic. Last box magic. Let's go, boys. But we might run a double header on Tuesday. What do you boys think? You want to do a double header? All right. Looks like we're going to have 5 cards in this one. For the Rockies, Jesse hit again. Fernandez, 16 of 99 for the Rockies. Oh, Dylan Cruz, Lake Mary boy. Who got the Nats? Cam. Congratulations, buddy. This is 2 of 15. Congratulations, Cam. Congratulations. 2 of 15. Congratulations. Boom, buddy. Good card. What do you think, Cam? Are you on here? That's a nice card, dude. Boom. Oh, dude, 2 great cards back to back. Jacob Mizorowski, 12 of 25. What do we think, boys? What do we think? The Brewers. Boom, a Dylan Cruz and a Jacob Mizorowski back to back. That's awesome. Oh, nice. Alan Trammell. 3 autos in this, boys. 24-75. Oh, damn, Cam. You didn't get the Tigers tonight? Peanut. Congratulations. 24 of 75. Look at that, dude. Boom. Alan Trammell. I think he was World Series MVP in '84, right? Was it Jack Morris? Somebody look that up for me. And, oh, we got a Derek Jeter relic. Nice. Brad Ball had a night. Brad Ball dominated this 4-boxer. 5 of 10. Derek Jeter heater. Congratulations, Brad Ball. That was a good box right there. That was a strong box. Extra auto, baby. That happens sometimes. Boom. Boom. Brad Ball had a night. Brad Ball had a night. Cam had a pretty good night with that Dylan Cruz. Brad Ball got a lot of Yankees and Mariners tonight, boys. Jesse got a couple of Rockies. Boom. Who got the Astros? Paddock. All right, boys. Pretty solid. Again, we'll do the other. Hey, Brian, you want to do the other case? You want to do 2 separate 4 boxes, or do you want to do the other part of the case on Tuesday? You want to go 4 boxes back to back? What do you think? What, Bergeron, welcome to the show, buddy. That Jacob Mizorowski, dude, that's a nice card. I like the fact that we got this is a good box. We got Alan Trammell, Hall of Famer, Derek Jeter, Hall of Famer, on and off the field. A lot of home runs off the field. I'm talking Jennifer Aniston. Or was that A-Rod? Dylan Cruz. Cam, what do you think about that? Send me the pic of the Miz, please. You got it, Paddock. I'll take you a nice one, bro, with the lights and all that. There's Freedom, and I'm sure Freedom and one of them boys has your contact info, correct? If you want to send it to me, I'll make sure you get it personally from me, brother. All right, good box, boys, good box. I wish they were all like that. Okay, we'll do a little review, boys. A little review. All right. That last box made it, I think. All right. Freedom, text me Paddock's info. Make sure he gets that first thing in the morning, all right? I won't come here and take pictures in the mornings. I didn't bring my camera stuff with me today. So here's basically our bases. We got Fernandez, 16 of 99. Yanquil Fernandez, 16 of 99. Yordan Alvarez. We got the Garrett Crochet Relic, 17 of 149 for the Red Sox. Craig Biggio Relic, 1 of 25. That's nice. That will go to our friend Paddock, the Biggio. Mason Wynn, 50 to 50. Ellie De La Cruz, 15 to 60. And a Tier 1 Luis Robert Jr. for the White Sox. I think that goes to Paddock also. All right, then Brad Ball hit this sweet Randy Arozarena, 186 to 199, the bat. Got this beautiful Dylan Cruz, 2 to 15, local boy here in Central Florida, played at Lake Mary. Friend of the show, right? Freedom? Freedom and Brian and Jesse, friend of the show. We got Alan Trammell, 24.75. I love this card, dude. Who got that? Peanut. I like this card, man. It's a good card. Good card. Good card. Then we got the Edgar Martinez. That's going to Brad Ball. He had a good night. Brad Ball probably won the night because he had the Yankees. He had the Mariners. He had a good night. We got this Braxton Ashcraft for Power Alley, 265 to 299. Let's see. Oh, we had this knee plank, got this sweet Jose Canseco, 68 to 99. I like that card too. I love the Trammell and that Canseco a whole lot. Then we got the dual relic, 76 to 199. Anthony Volpe and Chaz Chisholm. Should be in a Marlins uniform, but that's okay. Then we got the Derek Jeter relic, 5 to 10. That goes to Brad Ball, y'all. Then Jesse got the Rockies, 12 to 49, Warming Barinable. Then we got two sweet cards here. We got the Roki Sasaki, 21 to 25. That goes to Matt Millen. And we got the Jacob Mizorowski, 12 to 25. Look at that, Paddock. There you go, buddy. I'm going to put a nice blue. I'll do one with the blue light, and I'll do one with the yellow light. Or I might duel them up. You know what? Ooh. Yeah, let's duel them up, boss. Jacob Mizorowski. All right, guys. Thank you for joining us. Now, don't forget on Tuesday, we might do the rest of the case in one group, or we might break them up into two different ones. But, you know, make sure. Domster, what's up, buddy? Welcome to the show, dude. Good to see you, man. So join us on Tuesday. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, the Grand Slam Cowboy, if that's easy to remember, and I'll lead you to TBB. They'll be tagged in all my photos and pictures. It's TBB_baseball_cards_breaks. I know that's a lot to remember, but we'll get that. And we'll have the 2/3 rest of the case on Tuesday. It'll be Tuesday, not tomorrow. We'll either break it up with the rest of the 2/3, or we'll break it up in like maybe 4 boxes each. But join us on Tuesday. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We will have promos for the upcoming shows. That way you know for sure what you're getting into. We'll load the show either Monday afternoon, Monday night, and for Tuesday. That way you know when we're coming on. I'll probably try to come on at 3, 4 in the afternoon, get it started early. But thank you, guys. Have a beautiful Sunday night. Hope you had a great weekend. And thank you for joining TBB and the Grand Slam Cowboy as always. These will be shipped out first thing Tuesday morning. Thanks again. Guys, have a good night and come see us on Tuesday.